Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome back to Repair and Replace. Today, I'll show you how to build a window screen and frame from scratch. This includes fiberglass and aluminum screens. If you're only replacing the screen, then watch the video linked below. To begin, you'll need frame bar stock, corner pieces, screen mesh, pull tabs, spline, a spline tool, a hacksaw, flat blade screwdriver, a file, utility knife, scissors, and duct tape. If your window has an old screen and frame, then use it as a template to measure the width, height, and frame thickness. If you don't have a reference, then measure from the top of the window down to the bottom of the pane. Now measure the sides. Finally, measure the frame thickness. Frame bar and corner pieces come in 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, and 7/16 inch thicknesses, all 3/4 of an inch wide. Now, choose the frame bar size, which is one size down from that measurement. If you measured 3/4 of an inch, then get 5/16 inch bar and corner pieces. Next, measure the channel width and select your screen and spline. For an aluminum screen, choose a spline diameter of the same size or slightly smaller, as the aluminum mesh will take up some of the space in the channel. Aluminum screens are thicker and more durable, but have a memory, which means when you set it into the channel, you only have one chance to get it right. For a fiberglass screen, choose a spline with a slightly larger diameter than the channel width. Overall, fiberglass screens are thinner and are easier to cut and install. They're more forgiving if you don't get the right fit the first time, but be careful not to rip the screen. Both aluminum and fiberglass screens are available in a variety of widths, from 2 feet all the way up to 6 feet or more. Meshes that are 3 or 4 feet wide should fit most household windows. Now that you've assembled your materials, measure the frame bar and cut your pieces. If you measured the window, then the screen frame should be 1/8 of an inch shorter than the height and width measurements. This will leave enough room for the frame to fit. If you're using the old screen as a reference, then this doesn't apply. Since each corner adds 3/4 of an inch, subtract 1.5 inches from the total. Next, measure and mark each length. Use the hacksaw and cut each piece. Remove any burrs from the ends, as they might be a little sharp. Now, assemble the frame, making sure the channel is continuous to the sides and corner pieces. To make it easier, you can use duct tape or clamps to secure the frame. Now, place the window tabs into the channels with the tabs pointed downward. And these will sit below the screen. Lay the screen on top with at least 1 inch of overlap on each side. Trim any excess material. For aluminum screens, you'll have to pre-shape and indent the screen using the convex side of the spline tool. Hold the screen tight and roll the tool back and forth till the screen forms nicely into the channel. Now push the spline into the channel to get it started. Flip the tool over and use the concave side to roll the spline into the channel. Keep some tension on the screen and continue to indent, and lock each adjacent side until you complete the entire frame. For fiberglass screens, you don't have to pre-shape the screen. Push the spline in to get it started. Use the concave side of the spline tool and roll down the spline into the channel. Keep the screen tight as you roll the spline all the way around the frame. Now, cut the spline and push the corners down into the channel. Finally, trim the screen. Use the spline as a guide and run the razor knife down each side. Now that the new screen is constructed, it can be installed into the window. If you like this video, leave a comment below. To keep up to date with Repair and Replace, please subscribe. And for the widest selection of parts, low prices, and same-day shipping, explore our website below. Thanks for watching.